Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. So today we're back in the kitchen. Here it is, first part of February, still a little chilly outside, so I'm going to do an inside cook. And what I'm going to do up one of my favorites, pork chops. And how I'm going to do these? So I'm going to shake and bake, well, shake and air fry these up in the Ninja Foodi. So let me show you how I'm going to season these. We'll get them in there. Should take about 30 minutes max from start to finish. And we'll get these beautiful looking pork chops ready to eat tonight. So let's get into this cook. Okay, so here's our pork chops. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take this baggie. I'm going to take our shake and bake seasoning packet. I'm going to open it up and I'm going to dump it in here. So we got our shake and bake in here. Now what I'm going to do is I've got these laying out here. Kind of spread them out a bit. What I noticed was, what I like to do is I like to put a little bit more pepper on them than what's in that packet. Something like that. I like coarse ground. And a little bit more salt. And this happens just to be sea salt. Like so. Okay. And we'll flip them over. And repeat the process. Just something like that. A little bit more salt. What I like to do is I like to let this sit for 5 minutes like this. And then we'll put it in our seasoning bag. Get it all seasoned up. I also like to spill the pepper all over the countertop. Alright, so these have been resting here for about 5 minutes. Got my seasoning bag. And we'll just throw all these in there. It's me making the sound effects if you're wondering. Take it. Shake it up real good. Shake it up. Shake it up. Get a nice coating on this on all of them. Oh yeah, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Alright. Make sure we got it on everything. Oh, these are gonna be so good. Alright. So, let's look at the Ninja Foodi. We'll get it fired up. Show you what I'm doing here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to power her on. Got the air crisp lid on it. What we want to do is we want to hit the air crisp button. We're going to kick it up to 400 and we're going to let this come up to temp. We're going to give it about 5 minutes to come up to temp. Okay, it's been about 4 or 5 minutes. We're going to go ahead and stop it. We're going to pull open the lid. And we're going to spray in there. So I got some vegetable oil here. I'm just going to spray in there, like so. And then I'm going to just take my pork chops. I'm going to lay them in there. Try to get all of them in here. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to. Might have to do these in 2 batches. So what we're going to do is we're going to do these in 2 batches. So bring it around here. So what we're going to do is close the lid back up. Kind of repeat the process. Air fryer. We're going to run it at 390, but we're going to set it for 8 minutes. And we'll let it go for 8 minutes. Then we're going to open it up, flip them over, and let it go for 6 minutes. Okay, so that was our first 8 minutes. It shut itself off. Let's go ahead and lift it open. Oh yeah. Let's see if we can get a better view of this. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to flip them over. So, I'm going to close it up, power it back on, air crisp, 390, take it down to 6 minutes, and hit start. And we'll check back after that's done. All right, let's take a look at these. These should be done now. Oh my. Oh, let's try to get you in there a little closer. Look at those. First, we're going to get the other two back in there that we haven't done. So we got this thing frying them up, and then we'll get into these. Beautiful. All right, let's let that do its thing. Let's get in here and taste these. What goes good with pork chops? Caesar salad. Let's get some of the Caesar salad in here. Oh yeah. All right, let's cut into this pork chop and see what we got. Let's try a bite. See if I can get it to focus in a little better there. I don't know. Hopefully that can focus in there. Let's try it. Cheers. Wow. That's incredible. So much flavor, perfectly cooked, delicious. Just the way I wanted them to come out. So, you saw how I did that. I just got the shake and bake. This is the extra crispy. You can see there. It's for chicken, but I said screw it. Let's put it on some pork chops. And it's really good. So, added a little more salt, a little more pepper to each side, put it in there, shaked it up, got the air fryer, got the air crisper out. Now what I did is I warmed it up for 4 minutes at 400. Then I stopped it, put the two of the pork chops in because that's all I could fit, and I set it to 390 for 8 minutes. Let it go that 8 minutes. It stopped. I flipped them over and let them go for another 6 minutes. And these are incredibly juicy, perfectly cooked. I mean, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? These are gonna be so good, let me tell you that. So, pretty simple to do. This air crisper does a great job, Ninja Foodi. You know, it's a great product. This is like their large one. I enjoy cooking with it. So does my wife. She makes a lot of soups and other things in it, but everything she's made has been delicious. So anyhow, it's time for me to eat. So like I always say, you can do this too. It's not that hard. Fry on, my friends. Till next time. Thank you for watching.